Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of versatile knowledge. I am Abhay here and today I'm going to be talking with you guys about the best tempered glass for the OnePlus Nord 2, and this is the glazed ink tempered glass that I have bought for the OnePlus Nord 2. And we have the box content such as the tempered glass itself, the spirit for cleaning the screen, the manual, and also we have a sticker for cleaning the dust from your tempered glass. So these are the box contents. I bought this tempered glass from the Glazed Ink website, the link for which is provided in the description, and this tempered glass actually costs you around 500 rupees. It has features such as 9H sharpness, it is ultra clear, it is a thick sized tempered glass. It is not like a small screen protector or something. It is a very thick tempered glass which provides immense protection. Even the phone falls on a hard surface or something, it will take the shock on the tempered glass and the screen will not be breaking or something. So initially, before applying, just remove the back case that is present on your phone and then clean your phone using a microfiber cloth which you might be already having, or you can use any other soft cloth for cleaning all the dust and dirt. Make sure to just turn off your smartphone so that no notification disturbs you while applying the tempered glass, and also clean the phone on the front surface of the screen and everything before we apply the tempered glass. The next thing that we have to do while applying the tempered glass is to just remove the factory fitted screen protector which comes on the OnePlus Nord 2, which is a very thin quality screen protector, guys. It won't protect your screen. And also you can use the alcohol solution, that is the spirit solution that is provided inside the package of this tempered glass, and clean it using the microfiber cloth. And once everything is clean, just check using this torch from another smartphone or any other torch. So that is what I do. This is a process that I follow, so you can just spot some tiny bit of dust that might be present on your screen's front surface. And once you're confident enough that all the dust and dirt is clean from the front surface of your smartphone and you feel that you are ready to apply the tempered glass, what you have to do is just open the tempered glass like this. Make sure that you open only half of it, not completely. Very gently just apply the tempered glass on your screen of the smartphone. Just place it with perfect alignment. Just make sure that you place the smartphone on the flat surface, and the tempered glass also has to be kept on the screen perfectly. Just apply it gently, and once it is applied, make sure that you push all the bubbles to the edge of the smartphone screen. You can use a card, guys. You can use a credit card for the purpose to just push it to the edge of the screen. That is something that I do, and make sure that there is no space or there is no bubbles on the edges of your smartphone. And also you can use a thin sized card, something like this, to just peel off the tempered glass from the edges. In case you feel there is a gap and you need to fit it perfectly again, you can peel it off. This tempered glass actually allows you to peel it and put the tempered glass back on the screen for like a couple of times. The stickiness will be present for up to 2 times or 3 times, and you also can use this sticker that is present inside the box to take away all the dust that is present on the inner surface of the tempered glass in case you feel something was stuck on the screen. And you can use another microfiber cloth to put some pressure, and you can make sure that the tempered glass is fitting perfectly on your smartphone screen. And once everything is fine, we can leave it aside for some 5 to 10 minutes so that it fits perfectly on the smartphone screen. As in, when you start using the device, because of the heat that is generated, the tempered glass bubbles will also go away. One of the important things that I do in order to generate heat is by extensively using the smartphone, so that the heat is generated, and because of that heat, the bubbles will slowly and gradually go away. With the tempered glass, the in-display fingerprint scanner is also working perfectly fine and there is no issues whatsoever. So that is something that I had to note down. And also, in order to generate more heat on the screen and for extensive utilization, what I do is I just turn on and play some music at the highest levels, and I actually keep the screen brightness to the highest or maximum. And also I use an application called CPU thermal throttling, which actually does the CPU thermal throttling test, and because of that, the amount of heat that is generated on the smartphone increases by a huge margin. And because of this heat that is generated from the smartphone, what happens is the screen gets hot and the bubbles that is present on the tempered glass will gradually go away. That's it for the whole process of installing the tempered glass, guys. So this is the glazed ink tempered glass that can be purchased for 500 rupees. In case you want to purchase this tempered glass, the link will be provided in the description. And also, analytics says more than 99% of you guys who are watching this video are not subscribed to the channel. So please hit the subscribe button. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and amazing content like this one. Thank you for watching, guys.